In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Threads account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads app. After that, go to your profile, then tap at that icon and go to account. On that screen we can easily find deactivate profile. If we tap on it, it will allow us to deactivate our Threads profile. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile, threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate your Threads profile by logging back in. And also down below it says that this will not affect your Instagram account. If you want just to hide all of your Threads content, just tap at deactivate Threads profile. If you want to completely remove Threads account, you can't do that because Threads is powered by Instagram, and if you want to delete your Threads account, you need to delete your Instagram account.